TPMS error. See owner's manual. All right, if you have a Nissan vehicle, doesn't matter what model, you get this error that basically it's the sensor on one of your tires that's gone bad. It doesn't mean that there's anything wrong as far as your tire, but it just means that the sensor has gone bad, or you need to fill the tire up. But most likely it's the sensor. All right, if I'm driving, it'll show the pressure on each of the tire. I just started it, so it's not going to show the pressure, but normally it should be between 30 and 32 is the tire pressure, and it should be 32. Anyways, if you got that error, unfortunately with Nissans, they don't have a reset button. You could double check, but a lot of times the reset button is down here below the steering wheel. And if you see a button, you could feel a button. What you're going to do is just hold your finger down to reset it. But if you have that error, what I want you to do is get your tire inflator, and even if it shows full 30 or 32, what you can do is let some air out and fill it back up. So go to each individual tire and fill them up. Go to all four, then turn the engine off, start it back up, and then it should reset. Drive around and go at least 16 miles per hour and see if that reset it. What you could do is, being that it's the sensor, you could jack your car up, each individual tire. So you can jack one side up, remove the tire, put a donut on it, and then do your own tire rotation. Or you could just remove the tire and then put it back on, let it sit, and sometimes that will automatically fix the sensor issue, but most likely not. So if this is the case, you have a sensor that's gone bad, and they usually last anywhere from 8 to 10 years. So it's probably just one sensor. They're usually around 40 or 50 bucks. You can purchase them. If you're not handy mechanically wise, you can take it to a dealership, or you could actually take it to a tire shop, and a lot of times that'd probably be cheaper just to go to a tire shop instead of Nissan, and then they'll give you a sensor for like 40 or 50 bucks. They'll find which one it is. Most likely it's just one. Or you can just drive around for a few days or a few weeks. You're not hurting anything, and your tire pressure should still read on most of the tires. But let me know if that helped you fix the issue, and let me know in the comment section what model Nissan you have. Do you have an Altima? Do you have a Versa? Do you have a Pathfinder? And what year? All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.